This is 3 volts lithium battery. This battery, we use it for car remote control. So I'm going to show you. I've received notification in my car dashboard that the battery needs to be changed. So I'm going to show you how to replace this battery. So what you need to do is you need to go at the back. You need to push the key to the right. There's a lock here. You need to push it to the right. Once you push it to the right, then you bring out the key. Then it gives you a chance for you to open it up. So this is the battery here. You can see the previous one. So now just gonna remove it. Okay, so you take this one, then go in, and it's in. Then you need to cover it. Then take the main key. Okay, so this is exactly how this works, and you can see that there's a light here to show you that the battery is recognized. There's a light, the remote control.